in a situation if you were asked to hang your child?
What would you do if you were asked to burn your child?
What would you do differently?
Stop the hanging and slaughtering of children in Oohintii.
We need to end child abuse, full stop.
Join this campaign. I have. Have you?
85% of women aged 16 today are raped in the prisons of Oohintii.
60% of those have been infected with AIDS.
48% of children born in prison are disabled.
This is because of the abuse caused by the soldiers.
We need to stand up for women's rights.
We need to end rape of women, full stop.
We need to end the rape of women.
Full stop. Join this campaign.
I have.
Have you?
We need you.
We need 100 of you.
We need 1,000 of you.
We need 10,000 of you.
We need 1 million of you.
Support the move.
Make a change.
Humanity.